It's time to take a quiz on gerunds, so you're going to get a copy of number 9, Gerund Quiz. Make sure you put your first and last name on it. And this is going to look a lot like our Jobs of Nouns quiz because you should know what a gerund is. So make sure you answer the question, what is a gerund? What are the 6 jobs a gerund can do in a sentence? And what are the 4 sentence patterns? Because those help us recognize our jobs of nouns or gerunds. So a couple of different steps here. Step 1, you're going to underline the gerund or the gerund phrase, because remember, sometimes it's by itself, sometimes it's with a group of words, just like here. Then you're going to label the job that it's doing in the sentence. So some people enjoy jumping on a trampoline. If I was labeling the sentence, I would say, well, the subject is people. What do people do? They enjoy. Enjoy what? They enjoy jumping. But it's not just jumping, because on a trampoline tells where they like to jump. So this whole group goes together. The gerund phrase is jumping on a trampoline. Then you're going to explain, how do you know it's doing that job? It follows an action verb, enjoy, and answers the question, what? Enjoy what? Enjoy jumping. And then last, I want you to tell me the type of sentence. All right, when you're done, make sure you turn it in.